The vaccines must be stored in freezers that are below 94 degrees.
And among some of the first people to receive the coronavirus vaccine are at-risk populations and healthcare workers.
Several hospitals across the area on the list to receive the first doses. One of them, Michael E. DeBakey VA Medical Center here in Houston.
Channel 2's Bill Barajas joins us live from there with what doctors are saying. Bill?
Well, that's right. The Michael E. DeBakey VA Medical Center just behind me is one of 37 VA hospitals that will receive the vaccine once it arrives. And like many other hospitals in our area, they have had a plan and they are ready to roll it out. The vaccine is expected here in just days. Houston area hospitals like the Michael E. DeBakey VA Medical Center has been ready for months.
Some of the first people to receive the vaccine, and that's really going to be the folks who are frontline healthcare staff taking care of COVID patients.
Dr. Prathit Kulkarni says the exact number of doses they will receive is unknown right now. But what is for certain is that frontline workers won't be the only ones given the vaccine. Veterans at risk will also be vaccinated.
Residents of long-term care facilities. So we happen to have, for example, on site, roughly 200-bed community living center.
Memorial Hermann is also set to receive the vaccine. Dr. David Callender says they are expected to acquire 16,575 doses of the first allocation.
They actually provided the number of doses to us based on a survey that we responded to that described the number of COVID-19 patients that we see, how many have been hospitalized, the number of employees that we have in what we call COVID-facing units.
Dr. Callender says they, too, have sent out a scheduling link to employees who he says are expected to receive the vaccine over the next 10 days.
We're very excited. You know, I've described on several occasions that this is like a bright light at the end of a long, dark tunnel.
And that same sentiment shared by so many that we have talked to over the past couple of days. Now, coming up at 10, we'll talk to one of the top doctors here about the concerns that some of those eligible to receive the vaccine have shared with him and how he's addressing those concerns. Live near the Texas Medical Center, Bill Barajas, KPRC, Channel 2 News.